Here is a useful source of affiliate marketing information. If you are feeling like you want to start making extra money and start producing a source of income for yourself, then affiliate marketing is what you want to get into. This video can help you get started with getting into affiliate marketing, as it has plenty of tips you can use towards success. To be treated fairly, you should avoid affiliate marketing companies that do not pay you a lot. You should compare offers and negotiate. You should expect a bonus of at least 20% on each product that you sell to a customer. Any company offering less is not treating you fairly. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. Most of the people on your email list will end up unsubscribing, and you will need to replace them with new customers. If you are attempting to attract new customers, be certain that you send them your best emails as a way to catch their interest. When posting affiliate marketing links on your site, make sure the affiliate is appropriate. For instance, you do not want to place ads for a company selling adult toys on a website dedicated to daycare reviews. Inappropriate ads are a quick way to lose website traffic and your income. Hopefully, with the information you just learned, you can start thinking of strategies you want to use for success. When it comes to affiliate marketing, remember that the more you know, the more potential for success you have. So try your best to expand your knowledge, and apply it as much as you can. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.